Hey, I wanted to say a couple more things about how to get the most out of the asynchronous parts of this program. Asynchronous means not live, the times that we're communicating through messages, through videos that are recorded at different times. So just a few key points. And to let you know, as I go into this, I've been teaching online since 1997, which I know is before some of you were born. That's how old I am. So here are my top 5, okay? First, manage your time well. Plan 2 times a week when you will work on this program, and no more than 2 times a week. There are problems on both sides. Some students in online learning just try and do everything right before the deadline. And if you do that, you won't be able to participate in the forums, because if everyone else has already written and left, and then you come in, it's like walking into an empty room and trying to have a discussion by yourself. So that doesn't work. You have to check in regularly. And for this program, probably twice a week is enough. The other problem is people check in all the time. They have it constantly checking. Does anyone reply? Does anyone replied? Don't do that. It just will destroy your life. So manage your time well. Secondly, remember that the people you're interacting with are real people. This means build your social presence. Be extra positive in comments. Make jokes, but not sarcastic jokes, because people can't hear what you're saying. Make a video comment instead of text sometimes. Keep reminding people that you're human. Share facts about your children or what's going on in your day when you put up your post. Now, this is professional and we want you to learn, but you really will do better with this if you keep reminding people you're a person. Third, save everything. All the work that you write, all your videos, save it someplace on Google Drive or YouTube channel or your computer. It's amazing how easy it is to forget where things are or to think, oh, I'll just make another video tomorrow. But develop a system for saving things and save everything. Next, learn to use the tools that you need for online learning. There aren't all that many. For this program, we'll be using 10 to 20 different types of technology. But you can learn this. Have a growth mindset. Go in with the attitude that if your 8-year-old child can use Flipgrid, you can too. And my child is not they're good, but he's not a super genius. And he could make Flipgrid videos when he was 6 for class. And he could reply when he was 6. You can do this. Learn to use the tools. YouTube is wonderful for explanatory videos. That's often the best way to learn for technology things, because you get to see it happening. So use YouTube, Vimeo. You can do this. And last, and probably the most important, don't waste time wishing that this was a face-to-face class. It's not. There are some things that we can do in face-to-face that we cannot do online, and some things that we can do online that we cannot do face-to-face. For most of you, you're getting to know me for the first time through this. So that's a different experience than if you met me face-to-face and realized that I'm almost 2 meters tall. You probably didn't know that. So there are things that are different. We'll work with that and make the best of it. So manage your time, build your social presence, learn, save everything, learn how to use the tools, and don't waste time wishing for something else. Make this good.